Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to play workshop maps in CS2. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So technically, there is no CS2 workshop as searching for it still brings you to the CSGO workshop. So the custom creations made for it are simply being called that by the company due to familiarity. So you'll still be able to enjoy custom content just as you have for decades in Counter-Strike. So you've just got to do a bit more work to get there. So first, you'll just need to download the map file from wherever you found it with the Reddit forums and other more. And then after that, open the CS2 maps directory in your file support explorer by entering steam slash steam app slash common slash counterstrike 2 slash games slash cs2 slash maps. So you can just go ahead and copy this and then just paste the map file into the directory. So just launch CS2 and open the in-game console and just enter the command map percent map underscore name percent and change map underscore name to the name of the custom map and just follow the auto commands delivered by the console and the workshop map will load in your CS2. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.